back to another video. So guys, I want to show you something. There are many people who have been requesting me to make a video on how to make money on this Sweatcoin app. So here is the video, so you need to watch it until the end for you to understand everything that I'm gonna explain here. And again, I'm gonna give you a trick. So guys, this is so important to anyone who wants to make money. Like, this is the start. You want to start from here. So I'm gonna give you like a trick you're gonna use to start making money on this platform or app. Actually, there are two ways. So the one is you'll be earning Sweatcoin Sweatcoin is a crypto too. It has been listed on many platforms, that is crypto exchange wallets, whereby you can sell, you can buy, you can swap or exchange to other cryptocurrencies. So I'm gonna explain step by step. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a trick, guys. This trick it's kinda it's not that hard to do. It's something which is so simple, so you just need to follow the guidance or follow what I'm gonna say. Okay, so my name is Cynthia. For those who are new on my channel or watching my video for the first time, I make video on how to make money online on different platforms, be it crypto, anything that can make you money online. Okay, so if you're here for the first time, you're watching my video for the first time, kindly consider subscribing, liking this video, and also putting on that bell, so that anytime I'll be notification bell, that is anytime that I'll be posting any new video, you'll be notified and you'll get to watch it as early as possible. Okay, and also I'm gonna put the link to the app on the description and also on the comment section. And also I'm gonna put our WhatsApp chat group there, so if you are among the members in our WhatsApp chat group, just be patient there. I normally give updates, though lately have been so dormant. Like, I've been having many things going on in my life, so I've been trying, like I wasn't feeling well too, like here there, like just too much, so I wasn't able to upload more videos as I used to. And so I'm back. I'm gonna try make more videos as possible. So guys, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Keep subscribing, keep watching, keep liking, and keep on sharing if possible. Thank you so much, guys. So let's go to the video itself. So the first thing you're gonna need is that link. So I'm gonna put this link, okay, and I'm gonna tell you what to do. Okay, so you really need this app that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing, let me show you how to register first. If you click on this link, what you will see. Just before I give you I show you how to register, you can see what I have, total Sweatcoin that I have, and you can see rewards that I can claim. So immediately you download this app, we have different ways that can help you boost your earnings. Number one, you'll be earning more Sweatcoin as you walk. Every step that you'll be making on a daily basis, this app will be running in the background and it will count all the steps you make on a daily basis. So at the end of the day, it's gonna show you how many steps you made in a day. Okay, and another thing is that there are performance that you can do that I'm going to show you, and again, invites or referrals. So everyone has their own unique link that they can share with their invitees. They join under them and they'll be able to make money. So guys, there is I'm gonna show you how you can use VPN to register under UK Sweatcoin app, so that you'll be earning, or you will be able to join this influencer hub. Okay, so you can see my account is verified, right? You saw the verification badge as I was starting the video. So I can earn rewards as I follow all these things written here, and if I click on more, you can see what I can achieve at every number that I get. So guys, it is real, it works, it is real, it works, it's real, it works, it works. Okay, so if you're serious, you wanna join, click on the link, join, follow instructions that I'm giving out. Okay, so let us see other ways of making money on this platform. So if you're watching, don't forget to join, guys. This is a free money, you don't invest anything. Okay, so let me show you other ways of getting more sweat coins, of which you can be able to exchange them or sell them on the app called Sweat App. Okay, so let's see. So this is another way of getting more sweat coins. So if you click on claim, you'll be able to watch 3 ads in a day, and you'll be able to get 3 sweat, and the following day, the third day, and so on and so forth. You can also play game there. We have different rewards. Okay, you can see, you can play, you can perform, or okay, you for everything that you do, I like you see, or if you do like this, they charge you to sweat. You scratch, like here you can see I've earned free premium benefit. You can see one scratch card retry, so I'm gonna retry. You can see I'm a premium member. Okay, so let us watch this ad. Let us watch the ad, then let the ad run. Now it's how many seconds? The seconds are counting down here, so let us wait for the seconds to count. Then guys, I'm gonna guide you on how to register under that UK Sweatcoin app. I'm going to show you how. Don't be in a hurry, just wait for me. Okay, let's see. The ad is taking too much time. So you can see I'm also gonna scratch, because you can see I've earned 3 sweat coins. Congratulations, you can see that there. So you can earn more. That is, you can do on a daily basis, or after every 3 minutes. Okay, and you can see you can enter using only 2 sweat. You can win an iPhone. These things are real, guys. They're real. They're real. Yeah. So social, you can see they also do donations. You can join clubs, you can see your friends happier. Okay, so you can see challenges, you can join any challenge. Then every challenge has got a reward. So let me show you how to register, guys, and how to get that UK or any other third world countries Sweatcoin app the easy way. Guys, you will need this VPN, free VPN called Thunder VPN. I'm gonna show you that in the Play Store. So if you click on this place here, you'll be able to check the country. For me, I like it under United Kingdom, so you can put any. So if you put, like, for example, United Kingdom, that it's gonna connect. You can see it's gonna connect. Okay, so after you can see connected. So that is it. That is all you have to do. Guys, come to Play Store, then go on search, click on Thunder VPN. You can see Thunder VPN, right? You can see Thunder VPN. This is the right one, Thunder VPN. Then click on it and click on install. You can see mine is open because already I have it. Okay, so the first thing, you need to download this Thunder VPN. Then after downloading Thunder VPN, go to the link, click on the link, make sure you put your country, UK or USA or any other third world country that you want, or you can also use your own. But the easy way or to make money faster on this, or to earn more, is using that third world countries. So after downloading this one, go to the link itself and